Once, I stumbled upon an old typewriter at a garage sale. Intrigued, I bought it, only to find it was cursed. Every time I typed, it would jam, causing frustration. Determined to overcome this, I developed a habit of patience and persistence. I learned to clean and maintain it, turning the curse into a blessing. This taught me that challenges can be opportunities in disguise. By embracing patience, I found joy in the process and improved my typing skills. Remember, every obstacle is a chance to grow. Embrace it and see where it leads you.